Okay, students, in this class we are going to solve another problem by using a Newton-Rapson method. Okay, so Newton-Rapson method, we are going to take one problem and solve it. Find the positive root of x power 4 minus x equals 10, correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, that's what the question. Now look at that. The solution goes like this. Of course, first step is that we have to write the given equation of the form f of x. So our aim is that to write f of x equals x power 4 minus x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, that's what our aim. So we have finished the first step, writing given function of the form f of x equals x power 4 minus x minus 10 equals 0. What is the next step? To find the root of the equation. Okay, our aim is to find what is the root of the equations. Now look at that. When we put x equals 0, the value is 0 power 4 minus 0 minus 10 equals minus 10. So a negative value for f. Now when you put x equals 1, you will get 1 power 4 minus x minus 10. So 1 minus 1 get cancelled, minus 10, again negative comes here. Okay, now when x equals 2, f of 2 equals 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 10. When we put x equals 2, we are getting this value, and that is positive. 4 comes here, that is positive. F gets positive. Therefore, the root lies between 1 and 2, because 0 will come between these two positive negative value. So the value of x for which f will get 0 lies between 1 and 2. So what we understand is that the root lies between 1 and 2. That's what our conclusion, right? Now what's the next step? We know that the next step is Newton-Rapson approximation. So the first step is the writing equation in f of x form. The second form, to find the interval of root, and third one is applying Newton-Rapson method. We know that the formula for Newton-Rapson method is xn plus 1 equals xn minus inside the bracket f of xn divided by f dash of xn actually. Okay, so f dash we have to put there. It is not put, we'll put later. So when so we must understand that here x dash should come there. The root lies between 1 and 2, so you can take the approximate root as 1 or approximate root as 2, or in between these two you can take. Okay, so here I am taking the approximate root, the first root or initial root for which the equation is x naught, that I am taking as 2. So if I take 2 like that, then the calculation goes like this. Okay, so the formula is like this, the Newton-Rapson formula. Look at that. If you put n is equal to 0, you will get x1 equals x naught minus here n, so we have to put n is equal to 0, and here f dash of x naught. Okay, x naught, that's what we have. So this is a Newton-Rapson formula. Now in the place of x naught here, x naught here, x naught here, you put 2. Okay, then you will get this step. This is a step we will get. Because f dash of x here, f of x equals x power 4 minus x minus 10, then f dash of x is equal to 4 into x power 3 minus 1, and this is constant. Therefore f dash of x equals 4x power 3 minus 1, because this is needed to substitute here. That's why this is needed. So 4 into x naught power 3 minus 1. So this is what the first approximation, Newton's Rapson approximation. If you do so, if you substitute those values, you will get x naught is equal to 2 minus x naught, and you substitute that, and power minus x naught minus 10 divided this, what you will get is 2 minus here 4 by 31. So 4 by 31 you will get. Okay, so if you still simplify this, what you will get is this is what you will get if you simplify this: 1.871, 1.847. This is what the first approximation, x1. So now x1 equals 1.871. You substitute this value here, you will get x2. I mean, put n equals 1 or put n equals 1. What you will get is the x n plus 1, that is x 2 equals x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. That's what you will get, and that's what in the next step you are going to get. See, x2 equals x1 minus f of x1 will come here in the next step. Now look at that, x1 and then x1, x1, x1. So you are substituting the value of x1 and you will get this step. Okay, that's what we are getting. So x2 equals x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Okay, so you substitute the value of x1 here, you'll get 1.871. Substitute the value of x1 here, and you simplify, and last what you are getting is 1.81 minus 0.338. Okay, divided by 25.199. If you still simplify, your answer would be 1.856. 1.856. Okay, so now what is x3? As we did before, x3 equals x2 minus f of x2 minus f dash of x2. You simplify this after substituting the value of x2. What you are getting is this is the answer. Okay, so note that when we take x3 value, this is 1.856. For x3 also 1.846. So similarly, if you go like this, you get, so if you go like this, you will get x4 also 1.856, x5 also 1.856. So if you go like this, and you will get the answer. So final answer is that so if you go like this, and your answer would be x4 also 1.856, x5 also 1.856. So the final answer, the root of the given equation is x power 4 minus x equals 10 is 1.856. So this is the way we can find the root of the given equation by the Newton-Rapson method. Okay, so given x power 4 minus x equals 10, and we found out that the root is 1.856. Thank you.